if you're on the fence of what ThriveCart level to get in enrolling with ThriveCart, if you want to go with ThriveCart Standard, or if you want to spend the extra $195 and go with ThriveCart Pro, we're going to talk about it today. One of the best things about ThriveCart is it is lifetime access for one payment. So if you want to go with just the standard, it's just the $495 for one time. You get lifetime access. You don't have to pay every year or every month. And then if you want to upgrade, you can do the $195 for $690. So we're going to talk about the 8 things that ThriveCart Pro gets you, so that way you can make a decision if it's worth the extra $195 or not. The first thing that ThriveCart Pro that I love is you get extra stats. So this is the dashboard that you have. You can customize your analytics and your dashboard with looking into higher things and a deeper level of your analytics. So customizing your stats is a really cool feature with ThriveCart. I really like to dig into analytics to see how I can improve, how I can change things when things were going well, when things weren't going well. So data and analytics is really important in increasing your revenue. So ThriveCart Pro has increased analytics. If you want to go even deeper into ThriveCart, I have a free course that walks you through ThriveCart, setting up ThriveCart, all the ins and outs of ThriveCart. It's a over-the-shoulder type of view where you can see exactly what I'm doing click by click. And I also have modules on things like pricing a course, how to come up with your course topic, how to market a course, how to get beta testers in a course. It goes to the ins and outs of setting up a course, launching a course, and like I said, it is completely free, so definitely check it out down below in the description. And I do want to say, if you don't have ThriveCart yet, I have a link for 50% off of ThriveCart lifetime access, which is amazing about ThriveCart. There's other course platforms where you have to pay monthly or annual, but with ThriveCart, it's lifetime access, and I have a link for 50% off. I do receive a small commission if you use my link, but like I said, you get the 50% off discount for using the link, and you help support me and my family, and so I can continue creating free videos like this for you and free courses like the one down below in the description. So check it out, check out the course, and check out ThriveCart if you have not already. The next ThriveCart Pro feature is affiliates. And with affiliates, you can increase your sales by using affiliates to refer your products, to refer your courses, to refer your memberships. And this is a great way to really increase sales. Within the affiliate dashboard, you can see all of your affiliate clicks, how many sales they're making, how many conversions, if they're pushing out the product, and you can also pay the commissions directly through ThriveCart, which is awesome. It gets paid through PayPal. With affiliates, you can also go through the product. You can customize the amount that your affiliates are getting paid. So I have a 30% commission that they're making and that they're going to get paid after 30 days. So I can manually change this, and I can make it that they get paid after 1 day, 7 days, 14 days, 30 days, 60, or 90 days. I have a 30-day return policy, so I like doing it after 30 days. So that way, if someone does ask for a refund, then I'm not paying the commission on that. You can also create target URLs, and this is honestly one of my favorite features of ThriveCart. So I have 3 different ways that my affiliates can earn commission and refer people. So they can refer people to my side hustle guide, which is a downloadable PDF. And this is the link right here for the side hustle guide. And I also have that they have direct access to my course if they want to give someone direct access to that link, or if they want to send people to my webinar, they can do that as well. And so these are 3 access points that they can send someone to, and then it's going to place a cookie on that person that signs up for my lead magnet, for my webinar, or directly through my course. So if someone signs up for my webinar and then attends the webinar and then signs up 2 weeks later for the course, or a week later or during the webinar, they're going to get that commission. Same with my lead magnet with my side hustle guide. So this is a great way that I can increase sales through my affiliates is by having lead magnets that my affiliates can offer. Now, back in the affiliate section, I can also customize what each affiliate earns. So I have the standard 30% commission, but I can also go into their profile and their affiliate options, and I can customize the conversion. So I can do for this person, say I want to do a 50% commission, I can do that for this person, and I can change it so that they get instantly or manually after a delay. I can do that as well. So this is something that I can do right in ThriveCart know if I want to give someone a specific amount. And then back to those links that we talked about. These are the links, and this is what it's going to look like for the affiliate. So they can pull these links here for the side hustle guide, the Dream and a Profitable course, the free class on it. This is the webinar. So they can copy this link and then promote it. They can also put this into a pretty link as well. So this is totally an option. And then this Kelly Smith test 123, this is what their name would be, or their subdomain name. This is what it would be right here. And then also I have access. So if someone is unable to find out how to pull them, the links, I can pull it for them and just send them an email with their custom link as well. So I have access to all of my affiliates' direct links as well. Next is JV Partners. And JV Partners is a great way if you want to do a partnership with someone. So say you're creating a course with someone, or say you're creating a membership with someone, that you can have it so that way you both have access inside of ThriveCart. You can create a contract and you can split it so that way you're getting maybe 50-50, or you are doing the bulk of it and you're doing 70% and they're getting 30%, or however you want to customize it. And you can do that directly through the JV partner. So if you're wanting to set up that partnership with someone, you can also set it up so that if you maybe have a virtual assistant and you want to set up roles for them, and you can set it up and give them specific access to how much of ThriveCart you want. So say you have a virtual assistant and they are only handling returns for you and refunds for you. So they have access to that, but they don't have access to create coupons. They don't have access to see how many sales you're getting or other things within ThriveCart. So this is a great way to have control over your ThriveCart account and make sure your virtual assistants or other people aren't going in and messing with things that they shouldn't. So JV Partners is a great way that you can both manage partnerships and also virtual assistants or anyone working for you. The next feature is Dunning. So what we're going to do to access Dunning is you're going to go to your profile, go to settings, and then manage Dunning. And this is a way that you can help to save sales. You can have ThriveCart automatically send emails for upcoming payments. You can have them send for overdue payments for emails that go out if their card is expiring, if the card has expired. This is a really great way that you can save sales, and it'll make it so that if someone doesn't pay, if their payment is overdue, or if their card expires, that it's going to revoke access to your course until they make that payment. So this is a really great way to make sure that you're not missing out on subscriptions or missing out on payment plans because a card expired or for overdue payments or anything like that. This feature can save you so much money and also stress of having to tackle and hunt down those people. I know people that have virtual assistants that this is their only job, is tracking down subscriptions. So this feature alone can save you in virtual assistant, paying for that, and also for just recouping costs right here. Next is calculating sales tax. This can save you huge with the government and the IRS. So if we go to edit a product and then we go to pricing, we can hit this button here, calculate sales tax. So this is going to calculate and collect sales tax based on the person's location. And it's going to calculate a simple sales tax. So this is going to be really, really helpful for your accountant, for your CPA, when you're having to submit sales tax. ThriveCart gives you easy access inside to the settings to run tax reports and to send reports to your CPA. And also they do the VAT tax as well. Now, taxes are not fun. They're not exciting, but they are super important so that you're not getting in trouble with the IRS or anything like that. And like I said, they have really great settings and you can do it all right inside of ThriveCart. You can also set up if it's for a membership site or what type of category it is. This is how they're able to calculate the type of tax that's taken out, the amount, all of that. And you can also select the countries, everything right here within ThriveCart. The next ThriveCart Pro feature is custom domain. And this is really nice to have to give your page, to give your membership, to give your course some more authority and some more credibility. So we're going to go into settings. And then we're going to go to account-wide settings, and we're going to go all the way down to CNAME. And this is to set up a custom domain for your ThriveCart. So we're going to go to custom domain. You can set it up here. So you can set it up that it's going to say sales.kellymc kellyandsmith.com. This is going to increase authority so that way someone sees this, they're going to have some more credibility and they're going to say, okay, I recognize kellyandsmith.com. I'm going to now put in my credit card information because I trust that, versus just some off the wall website that they've never heard about. Maybe they don't know what ThriveCart is. And so they're like, why is it redirecting me to ThriveCart? I don't understand this. This gives you some credibility that you can do this right through Cloudflare, and you can set up a custom domain for it right through here. And it has tutorials that's going to walk you through everything. So this is just to give you that more authority, and this can help increase sales so that people are seeing something that they recognize versus a website that they're not sure about and unsure if they want to put in their credit card information. The next ThriveCart Pro feature is removable branding. This is really nice to have just because, you're paying for the service, and it's nice to not have to have that on your website. So we can go in here and into our sales page, and we can remove the branding and check out, and I can go into Launch Editor. And then if I scroll all the way down at the bottom, I can see this is the ThriveCart footer that is automatically here, but I can hit hide ThriveCart. Yes, hide the branding. I can do that and then hit done. So now it doesn't have the ThriveCart branding, and this is just a nice feature to have. And wrapping up, ThriveCart lifetime account is $495. I'll have a link down below in the description box to sign up. And if you want to add on ThriveCart Pro, you can do that for initial $195. So lifetime access at the time of this recording is $690. And this is great if you want to really take your business to the next level, if you want to be in compliance with tax services, have all of that taken care of for you with the sales tax, if you want to be able to manage your affiliates and have affiliates, if you want to have virtual assistants have access, if you want to have subscription dunning, all of that. This is going to be a really great pro feature for you. I have a full series on ThriveCart. So if you want to know more behind the scenes on ThriveCart, how to use ThriveCart, check out these videos here.